look at all these presents. This is what happens when you're a kinder teacher at Christmas time, and all these beautiful kids come up with all of these bags full of goodies. How kind is that? We have finished the Jyoti duster by So Different Patterns, and I've got to say I'm absolutely thrilled with it. It's a real little work of art, this little duster, and you can quite easily shorten it. I've taken a smidge, probably 5 centimeters off, but I can't wait to see it on with a pair of jeans and see how it comes up. Hi everyone, happy Vlogmas Day 16 here at the Dahlia Society. I hope you're all enjoying this Vlogmas series. I'm really enjoying connecting with you all on a daily basis, even though it might seem a bit mundane, a lot of the things we get up to. If you're like me, and I enjoy watching other people's day-to-day lives as well. So yesterday you would have seen my lovely chickens. I had a lovely afternoon. Well, actually tired myself out doing a lot of weeding. But when I finished that, I actually got around to finishing making off my So Different Jyoti duster pattern. Now I can really see what all the hype is about, because this is one of my best selling patterns in the store. This last couple of months I've sold out so many times over, and now I realise why. It is such a wonderful pattern. There was a group of ladies at the Frocktails evening. I know Rachel, hi Rachel, she actually made one of these up as well, and it looks so fantastic on her. I thought I need to get round to making one, and I've got to say I absolutely love how it's turned out. I made this in the Indian printed fabric with the Sunset Avery pattern. It's got a really lovely antique kind of bird and branch style print on it. Really, really pretty. We are getting more of the orchid colour and the teal colour in as well, because I know it's been a really popular one of the Indian prints, but I feel really floaty and lovely. It's just such a nice thing to wear over a tank top and jeans with a pair of trainers like what I've got on here. But I think it would be beautiful dressed up with a nice maybe column style dress, or even a linen shift dress underneath for dressing up for an evening out. What I like about it is that beautiful diagonal yoke, and you've got the bit of gathering along the bust there, and a nice sleeve, lovely length. So it's not an oversized one around the top and the shoulders, which a lot of duster style throwover jackets are. It's got a nice fit around the shoulders, and it's got that bit of detailing with that angled yoke. You can also add pockets, which I haven't done, but it's a great feature to add on if you love pockets. But I think I can see this in quite a few different lengths as well. I think I'm going to need just about one of every print, one of those Indian prints in this, because it's a wonderful, versatile pattern. And once I had it cut up, I made it up within a couple of hours. It was all ready to go. So very simple, great pattern instructions as usual from So Different Patterns. Laura has a wonderful Pink City pattern collection. If you haven't seen them, which I'm sure you would have, the Indian printed and block printed fabrics really complement this style, this series of patterns. So really, really lovely. So feeling fantastic. We're going to head out today to buy some herbs for our veggie patch, maybe some tomato plants, because the weather's really warming up now. And you may hear the symphony of lawn mowing happening in the background. Of course, it's a really lovely Saturday morning here. Everyone has been cutting their grass. It's great to get outside and get a bit of sunshine without being too overly warm. So yeah, we're looking forward to heading out today and doing a bit more work on our garden. So I'm going to do the unboxing. Of course, Andrea's Beyond the Pink Door advent calendar is a QR code scan day today, so I'll be doing that later on. But the advent calendar, of course, the Glass House calendar, we're looking for day 16, which is, okay, day 16 is a lovely little table set up with a little feast, little Christmassy feast. And it looks like I've got, ooh, this is the Midnight in Milan shower gel. Ooh, I've actually got the white peach fragrance from yesterday on here today. This one is, they're all made in Australia. We've got saffron and rose shower gel, so that one will be really, really lovely to pop into the shower. And I'm really enjoying this glasshouse calendar because not only are you getting things like candles, body lotion, you're getting little lovely little tubes of fragrances, which I'm really enjoying. So we're going to take you with us today. Yeah. We're going to go shopping today to Wonthaggi, which is about a half an hour drive away from us. It's down the coast, so some beautiful surf coast, which I'm going to show you from the car, because we love driving that way to do our shopping. It's just such a lovely scenic way to go, so I hope you can come with us. And it's not far from Phillip Island. I think most people will know a very famous place called Phillip Island here. We're about a 45-minute drive from as well. Heading along the coastline at Kilpunda, one of our favourite spots for a bit of sightseeing. Beautiful coastline. So all finished planting. So we're just watering the basil in. We've got the tomatoes at the back there. Everything's coming along nicely. So now I can dedicate the rest of the week to getting some sewing done. And Joe's done a little bit of shaping of the bay tree as well. So it's looking really lovely. So thank you for watching day 16. We'll be back tomorrow with plenty more action here at Dahlia Sewciety Vlogmas. Thanks for watching. Bye.